medley of steamed vegetables. I have broccoli, carrots, broccoli stems, tomatoes, and cabbage. Alright, let's get started. We have steam coming now. That's what we wanted. First, I'm going to start with my carrots and broccoli stem. We're going to drop those right in. Lay them out a little bit. Okay. We're going to give these a little extra time. We're just going to pop those in and give them about 5 minutes more than everything else. Okay. Okay. Now that I have 5 minutes in the pot there with these veggies going, okay, I'm going to add my tomatoes, put those right on top, okay. And we're going to let these babies go for just a little bit, okay, not long. Alright, okay, it's been 3 minutes. We're going to add a little bit of pepper. Okay, that's all, just a little bit. And we're going to add some basil leaf. Basil leaf is good, man. It's going to bring out the aroma. Alright, 3 minutes down the road. We got this going good. We're going to add our broccoli. Okay. And of course, I can't forget the cabbage. Look at that. Put it right on top. It's going to establish flavor. Okay. Now that it's all mixed together, we're just going to let it cook. Or steam, I should say. It's not going to take long. Okay, I've already mixed it up once. I'm going to mix it up again. Look at that. Oh yeah. And the tomatoes are adding a little bit of flavor there. Okay. Look at that. Oh my God, that looks so good. And I gotta add some garlic. Gotta have some garlic. Gotta have that garlic in there. Once I mix it again, I'm going to add some French fry seasoning. Mix it again. Look at, oh yeah. Now I'm going to add some French fry seasoning. Okay. We're going to mix it up again. Let it steam for about a minute or two. Okay, now for the part we've been waiting for, the shrimp. We're going to put that right on top. Okay. We're just going to stir it in a little bit. Mix it. Okay. It doesn't take long, man. I use a pre-cooked shrimp on this. Okay. We're just going to let that go for just a little bit. Okay, it's done. So what we're going to do is shut the fire, pop the lid, look at that. And put that in. That's going to be my lunch. Okay, it's quite a portion. I make extra for the next day. Oh yeah, look at that. And there you have it. Delicious. Look at that. Oh yeah. Mike's steamed broccoli, cabbage, carrots with shrimp. Of course, I use some French fry seasoning, some garlic and black pepper, and I cannot wait to taste it.